found that conversation.
Yep, eat that
Suzanne.
food.
I'll have to show it to you. I thought it would be gone.
Say, look, Scott, I can use a fork. I'm so good.
I'll stop being mean and moving all the potatoes that she's trying to get on the fork.
No, she really just wants them on the floor, so...
Oh, you need two? I can't tell if she's actually trying to get the food on it or like...
Oh, thank you.
Baby, can you say hi, Uncle Scott?
Say hi.
Too busy with that
Smile.
fork. Had fun watching Royal Changes last night. Around the rugby.
She's special.
Can you put it in my hand now?